Want to replace the wheel of your high-pressure cleaner? With these steps, you'll have it done in no time. What do you need? A new wheel. Step 1. Remove the old wheel. The wheel is attached with a click system. Grab the wheel firmly and gently pull it straight out until it comes loose. Step 2. Place the new wheel. Put the new wheel in the same spot as the old one. Press the wheel firmly until you hear a clear click. You've replaced the wheel and your high-pressure cleaner is ready to use again.